Welcome back to PS Marvelous Spoken English. Today let us see how to describe the beauty of nature. In May 2022, we visited Kodaikanal. The weather was so good. All the time it was drizzling. The cool air touched us gently. Wherever you turned, only flowers are there. It was eye-catching with orange, pink, yellow and purple wild colors. The view of the valley from the top of the mountain was breathtaking. I took a deep breath and the brisk forest air filled my lungs. A herd of sheep were grazing slowly. The clouds were captivated. The environment was very clean and healthy. The ambience made me feel the spiritualism in nature. I was enchanted by the flowers. The early morning fog gave an ethereal appearance. The rainforest is full of pine trees. We felt very peaceful. You can spend lots of time enjoying the magnificent scenery. I am feeling under the weather. Really, Kodaikanal is a paradise of Tamil Nadu. So, such words you can use to describe the beauty of nature, like breathtaking, spectacular, impressive, stunning, pristine, indescribable, eye-catching, breathtaking, captivated, ambience, enchanted, ethereal appearance, under the weather, magnificent scenery. Like these words you can use to express the beauty of nature.
Purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, face your own judgment. Don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. It's the world honestly burning, that's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man. Life is a nuisance, caught in nuisance. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, you make it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, gotta glimpse halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you. We died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop out fast at the surface. Had to cut it up before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn aside. I had to give it up, and now I'm being smart. I'm keeping up my guard. I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of left. You never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad. I'ma be something that thinking if I be me. Nice try, but don't see I achieve everything while this game's salty.